so lo Mjida kahle kahle kuphambene inkomishi. He's a former bandit. He's a former reject of the society. He's a former black sheep of the family.
It was more of, hey man, there was a squealering at the lounge that we were chilling at Izolo.
Yeah.
So there's people about the police station.
Yeah.
So they want us to clear that. That was I never have any quarrels with anybody, you know. But no, it's not a major thing. Bakhona labantu base police station, let's go sort that out. Mangifika police station zajikizini.
Ngiyakubona ushayela likhona lobufebe leli. Bathi labafana bama trim nema fade lapha. Banalenda abo fuckboy.
Not necessarily so. Just a clean look.
Last time ufikile lo Mjida masithi episode go against the wall. Ay waba nama episode wavukelwa umoya wagula same time. And I'm not joking Yagula inkalakatha yaphathwa yonke into.
Okay. So mangifika ke police station mina ngifika ngiye police station angithi ngifuna ukubona bobani the people that I had a quarrel with is all. Apparently. Mangifika police station abekho labo bantu labo and then bangitshela ukuthi bazokhuluma nami bangifake emaseleni ngizakhuluma kahle kahle no-case. That's literally how I got it. On the first. That's how literally I got. We got kept and then wangena omunye we-stray waselokishini that I knew. For the same neighborhood but different streets. 2 hours, 3 hours later and then we were all called into the office. And then ngazibuza ngathi wena ubosheleni Sipho wena ubosheleni ngithi hayi angazi yabona ngithi asiyeni ke siyozo and mind you those people bengahambi nabo. It's people that I know, we know each other obviously from the same neighborhood. Sharp masifika ke office that's when we were told ukuthi sizochargewa nge-hijacking.
Ngoba iboshwa zike zashaya itoyitoyi hayi zathi nix ngizokhiyela inkosi nana sidli nokudla vakhabiki namhlanje nikhiyela inkosi. So iphambene njani intambo ukhona ubhekile bazogwebela into ongayazi.
I was arrested on the 1st of January. Lela bangithola ngilela after my cricket and everything. How come there's no witness, especially in the township around Lesuskani, who've seen maybe Udali or whosoever committing that particular crime? Secondary to that, the car was found at Boksburg apparently. That's where it was kept. Imoto belapha at Boksburg. But how it got to, yes, it got to Boksburg. Where else is scene of crime? Basis Soweto, it was also another puzzling thing. So parade was conducted. Masingene parade room within 2 seconds. Umuntu ongene lapha wabiza number 13, 12 and 8. And I was like, and then what's happening? Akusina umuntu ukuthi like maybe ukubona mawuze parading. You need to give yourself time, be able to identify.
But uyambona uye.
Exactly.
Hayi ube nebhathi mfana kithi. Hayi khona nami ngizohamba njengawe.
That was bekuyilishwa lelikhulu